Hello and welcome guys to another unboxing video.
Today we have something that will make you cold, not hot.
It's a mobile conditioning system, Kaisai.
So let's see how heavy is the package, because it's heavy as hell. So as we said, let's see how heavy is the package. Because it's heavy. Okay, now let's try 2 kilos, I think. Nope, it's not enough. Three x10, it's 30. And your guess?
I will say 22 kilograms.
Okay, I will say 30 kilograms. Okay. Oh my god, it's hard. Okay, wait, I need to think. Let's try it like that, 30.
You son of a bitch!
Move away! Move away!
Math.
Yeah, 29.5. So I was closer, obviously. He took away. So let's open up the package. What? A little bit careful, please. Please. If you
And
can.
kids, remember, always cut towards yourself.
As you say in every video you make.
Yes.
So what do we have here? Let's begin that we have a manual that we won't read. We have a controller, some screws, and something.
Mountain brackets, probably.
Also batteries. This is for a tube. This is the tube. You can play with it if you want. That's satisfying. It's a big.
Hello.
It's a big vape.
So these are the mounting brackets and stuff for the tube.
And I think that's for the window.
Yeah, window is isolation.
For the window, you need to put that on a window, and here goes the tube from the conditioning system for the heat to go out more, if your window is a larger one. Or not, or to close the hole, I don't remember. So let's take it out. That's a heavy one. Oof. So now let's talk about the specs, and he will talk about the specs.
So this air conditioner is taking 2.6 kilowatts of power to run. Recommended for a room that is up to 25 square meters. So mid-sized room. Noise level is about 51 decibels, so a bit higher than like normal noise floor of a room. Refrigerant air 290. It has 4 modes like auto, cool, dry and fan. It also has a timer and sleep function, but it will still be loud. and the price is about 350 euros.
So now let's turn it on and see what we have. So now let's put on the tube in a testing part, because it's a testing
Should
part.
we take off these little blue thingies?
No, we can leave it.
Okay.
We don't annoy anyone except you. And it mounts right. Wait a second. Right here.
Don't do this at home, kids. We are professional.
And now let's put this through a window. We don't have window. Okay, we have, but we won't use it. We will just put it to the
Basement.
so it would be easier to demonstrate. More extended. So turn it on into the electricity. And now let's hear a lot of noise. Okay, let's change the mode to cooling. Here it is cooling, and fan speed too high. And you can hear the noise. Wait a second, he will start working because it's only fan now.
It's our only fan.
And this is how you can change where the air should go, or that one. I think it's working right into your microphone.
Probably.
Okay, it's cooling, so. And you see how loud it is? It's kind of loud. I can put it to sleep, but I think that won't change a lot. I pressed sleep and nothing happened. That's the problem.
This is the mode, cooling, fan, dry. And you can also control it on here.
This is the temperature you can control. You better use a controller because you can have auto, and then the conditioning system will decide if you need to cool, if you need to only a fan, and other stuff. So now we just have the lowest settings, and this is how it works. And in the next video I will show you how much it cools the whole room. So now let's clean everything and get back to the table. So what do you think about this conditioner? Is it good for the price? Is it good that it's mobile? And is it good that you need to put it through a window?
Well, mobile things always are good because you can move them around from room to room. I wouldn't call it mobile because you still have to put the hose through the window. So each time you want to move it, you have to change stuff in your window and make it work. Also, I think it's not cheap by any means. 350 euros is not cheap, but it does the job. It cools the room. I don't know.
If it does the job. If it cools the room.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think it's a pretty good thing for me because I will be using when the hot weather will come back. I'm talking about 35 degrees outside. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, or whatever. And don't forget to watch our gaming videos. Goodbye and see you in the next video. Peace.